Diolch yn fawr Adam Gilder a Gareth Bale.
Chwaraewr da.
Da iawn. Yeah, absolutely. Gwych.
Right te.
What's next?
Dach chi'n licio canu?
Oh, no.
It's good for your Cymraeg.
No, yeah, it is. I'm doing it for that lot right up there. You there, sitting there, and you behind them.
Nice,
I'm doing it for you.
Right, we've got a nice festive one about Robin Goch.
Robin Goch.
Beth ydi Robin Goch?
Red Robin.
Red Robin, iawn. Felly, Robin Goch ar Ben y Rhiniog, iawn. Red Robin, on the doorstep. A'i ddwy aden fach a nwydog.
With his two cold little wings?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ac yn dwedyd was yn smala.
Saying with his amusement?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mae hi'n oer yn daw yn eira. Mae'r Saesneg yna hefyd.
It is cold, the snow will come.
Snow will come.
Oh,
that's a little festive song.
Yeah,
right.
festive.
Newch chi ganu hefo ni?
I forgot it was Christmas.
Yeah. Barod, dyma'r nodyn iawn.
What's the tune? What's the tune? Can you do the tune for us?
Let's go for it. Iawn. Just join in as we go, iawn. 1, 2, 3. Robin Goch ar Ben y Rhiniog, a'i ddwy aden fach a nwydog, ac yn dwedyd was yn smala, mae hi'n oer mi ddaw yn eira.
Ag eto.
Robin Goch ar Ben y Rhiniog, a'i ddwy aden fach a nwydog,
Love your actions, isn't it?
ac yn dwedyd was yn smala, mae hi'n oer mi ddaw yn eira. O, dyna neis, ti'n gweld?
Neis? That's not nice.
Festive. Diolch yn fawr i chi am ymuno.
Diolch yn fawr. This is what I do to learn Welsh. I do this for everybody out there.
The price you paid,
You know, I'm a renegade. I embarrass myself for the good of the language, for the future of the language.
Falle bo chi yn gwylio Esbydrec, yn gwylio hwb mwyn i chi ddysgu Cymraeg, neu i gefnogi eich plant chi. Rwan ta, dych chi'n gallu mynd i Twitter a dilyn @TVAQ, iawn.
I've heard of this is very good.
Dwi'n dilyn nhw rwan mwyn gweld, iawn. Achos beth dych chi'n gallu gael ydy geiriau i'ch helpu chi i ddysgu Cymraeg gyda'ch plant.
So basically what you just said, if you're a parent that's learning Welsh with their kids, watching Q between 7 and 8 in the morning, you can follow the programme with @TVAQ and they'll help them out with the language.
So it says, this means that. So it's just come up ar y teledu fel alla can am y Nadolig, and then you get a translation and phonetically how to say something.
Perfect, sounds like a good idea.
Defnyddiwch o, triwch o.
@TVAQ.
Right. Mwy o gyfleoedd i ymarfer, more chances to practice your Cymraeg, y digwyddiadur, beth sy'n mlaen yn eich ardal chi yr wythnos honni ymarfer.